Get it, Nick. Get your bone, Nick.
Conley's scared to take it.
Conley, leave his bone alone. What are you thinking? Why are you trying to take his bone?
She's thinking. She won't do it.
Conley, he's scared. She's getting ready to talk to him. Look. Conley, tell him what you're feeling.
You listen to me.
Say pretty please with sugar on top and I'll give you a big kiss. Tell him, say I love you, Nicky. What's wrong, Nick? Are you growling at me?
It's a can. Everybody will get over it. I'm throwing it.
Okay, that's enough.
Right. Yeah, I think you're right. And you're right. And you're
Conley, Conley, do you want a bone?
I just thought that,
You want a bone?
for once she respected me enough to apologize.